What if the transmission fluid sitting on the shelf at your local store has already been caught failing independent lab tests multiple times? One brand got flagged 14 separate times. Another was so thick it could barely move through a cold transmission. Today, I'm naming the 9 transmission fluids you should never put in your car and the 5 that actually protect it. Stick around to the end because I'm also revealing the exact situation where changing your fluid will destroy your transmission, and the simple test that tells you if you've already crossed the point of no return. We start with the ones to avoid. Number 9. Penso. This one surprises a lot of people. You see Penso Platinum LV Multi-Vehicle ATF on the shelf and figure a big name must be safe. Ask yourself one question: why has zero car manufacturers ever used Penso as their factory fill? Not one. That silence is the first red flag. Their marketing claims the fluid covers 95% of vehicles on the road. What that really means is the formula was designed to be cheap enough to stock everywhere, not precise enough to protect any single transmission correctly. Real owners are already paying the price. One Toyota owner went to a quick lube shop that poured Penso Platinum into a transmission that required world-standard fluid. A year later, he was on the forums asking if he should panic. Number 8. Castrol Transmax Import Multi-Vehicle. This fluid tries to be everything and ends up being nothing well. Castrol markets it for most imports. That claim collapses the moment you look at real friction requirements. Every transmission is engineered around specific friction modifiers. A one-size-fits-all formula cannot match them all. Honda and Toyota owners have reported harsh shifts and new whining noises the moment this fluid went in. One driver simply returned to the correct OEM fluid, and the noise vanished overnight. That is direct proof the Castrol product was wrong for the application. Number 7. Triac. Amazon loves recommending this one. Your transmission will not. Triac bottles shout OEM grade and list compatibility with Honda DW1, Dexron 6, and Merkin V. The hard fact is the brand holds 0 licenses from any automaker. When a company claims it meets specifications without third-party testing, you are trusting marketing copy alone. Real-world results are already stacking up. A Volkswagen DSG owner experienced grabbing, juddering in reverse, and poor upshifts after installing Triac. He drained it, filled with a proper fluid. If this information is already keeping money in your pocket, hit like and share it with someone who needs to hear it. And subscribe so the next warning reaches you before the damage does. Number 6. Lucil ATF Synth Multi. This fluid is simply too thin to protect under real load and heat. Independent sources confirm it fails to meet the performance requirements of several vehicle manufacturers. Lower viscosity means the protective film collapses when temperatures climb or when the transmission is working hard. Your gears and clutches need that film. This product cannot reliably maintain it. The bigger issue is its foundation. It is built around older Dexron Roman 3 specifications that General Motors stopped licensing in 2006. The manufacturer itself states it is not recommended for CVT or dual-clutch transmissions. Pouring an obsolete formula into a modern electronic transmission is asking the wrong chemistry to do a job it was never designed for. Number 5. Zik ATF. Owners have already learned this the hard way. A Honda Civic owner switched to Zik and immediately felt jerking on every gear change. A 2014 Honda City Prismatic owner reported the identical problem: harsh, unpredictable shifts that made the car unpleasant to drive. Zik is essentially a Dexron Roman 3 clone. That fluid was designed for transmissions built in the 1990s. Modern units use electronic controls that demand precise friction behavior. Zik cannot deliver it. Forum mechanics note delayed engagement and poor cold weather performance. Number 4. Manual Dexron 3 Automatic Plus. General Motors walked away from Dexron Roman 3 in 2006. Why is this product still being sold as a modern solution? That single fact should stop you. The fluid is built on additive technology that automakers declared obsolete nearly 2 decades ago. Newer transmissions require Dexron VI or later chemistry. Pouring Dexron Roman 3 into them is the transmission equivalent of running 1980s engine oil in a current vehicle. One source states clearly that manual Dexron 3 Automatic Plus falls short in newer models because it lacks the necessary friction modifiers and wear protection. Increased gear wear and possible damage follow. A Land Rover owner installed it and immediately got a shunt on gear changes plus a gearbox overheating warning on the dash. Another driver saw power steering whine and foaming after using the same fluid. Number 3. Super T. This house brand has already been flagged by independent labs for enginal problems. The Petroleum Quality Institute of America issued consumer alerts on SuperTech motor oil, warning of potential harm. If the same company cannot get engine oil right, why trust their transmission fluid? SuperTech ATF lacks the precise friction modifiers and additive package modern transmissions demand. It may function in older vehicles, but current designs need exact chemistry. Number 2. Maxigard. If you see this name on a bottle, put it down and walk away. The Petroleum Quality Institute of America is the independent standard for testing retail lubricants. They have issued multiple consumer alerts on Maxigard. Laboratory results on their Universal Multipurpose ATF showed a product that meets no recognized ATF specification. Brookfield viscosity measured 616% higher than the maximum allowed for dextran 3 and merkin fluids. That is not a minor miss. Number 1. Everclear. This is the most dangerous transmission fluid you can buy. Keep it far away from every vehicle you own. The same independent institute issued consumer alerts on Everclear ATF 14 separate times, more than any other fluid they have tested. Every time the product failed, laboratory findings show it meets no recognized automatic transmission fluid specification. Brookfield viscosity ran 238% higher than the maximum for dextran 3 and merkin. The fluid is far too thick to flow properly through narrow passages when cold, so hydraulic pressure builds incorrectly. At operating temperature, the viscosity at 100 degrees Celsius is 20% lower than the minimum specification. Too thick when cold, too thin when hot, exactly the opposite of what a transmission needs. Starting with number 5. Motorcraft. Stop guessing with your Ford or Lincoln transmission. Use the fluid Ford's own engineers specified. Motorcraft is Ford's official brand, the exact fluid that left the factory inside the transmission. Ford spent millions developing the friction package, viscosity profile, and heat tolerance for their specific hardware. It carries genuine Merkin V and Merkin LV certifications. Ford tested and approved it. Forum owners who have tried generic alternatives and then returned to Motorcraft report the difference immediately. Smoother shifts, consistent behavior, no new noises. When the company that designed the transmission also makes the fluid, the variables disappear. Number 4. AC Delco GM OEM. General Motors has been engineering automatic transmissions for more than a century. Trust the fluid they put in every one of them. AC Delco is GM's official parts division, not an aftermarket imitator. When a Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, or Cadillac rolled off the line, AC Delco fluid was already inside. That is the level of confidence GM places in the product. It carries the official Dexron VI license. The qualification test runs 42,000 cycles of stop-and-go, heavy load. Number 3. AS. This is the manufacturer that actually designed and built many of the transmissions in today's cars. Why trust anyone else's fluid? ASIN is the world's largest producer of automatic transmissions. They supply BMW, Volvo, Toyota, Lexus, Audi, Volkswagen, and many others. Their fluids are developed in parallel with the hardware. They are not guessing at friction materials or pressure curves, they designed both. One Lexus owner switched to ASIN fluid and measured a higher flash point than the Toyota world standard fluid. Number 2. Red Line. Racing teams choose Red Line when winning depends on the fluid holding up. The difference starts with the base stock. Red Line uses ester chemistry instead of ordinary petroleum oil. Esters deliver extreme thermal stability and superior film strength even at lower viscosities. That is the same approach used in jet engines and professional race cars. Independent data shows their racing ATF provides 5 times better film strength than conventional petroleum ATFs, dramatically reducing gear and clutch wear. High temperatures that break down ordinary fluids and leave varnish on valves and clutches do not affect Red Line the same way. A BMW 3 Series owner summed it up. Number 1. Mobile One. This is the fluid engineers specify when they want proven long-term protection. Mobile One is not just another shelf brand. ExxonMobil is one of the largest lubricant manufacturers on Earth and supplies factory-fill fluids to multiple automakers. There is a strong chance Mobil fluid was already inside your transmission when the car was new. The formulation is full synthetic with excellent oxidation and thermal stability. High viscosity index keeps protection intact at extreme heat, while still flowing at temperatures as low as -66 degrees Fahrenheit. Friction properties deliver consistent smooth shifts across all conditions. Outstanding film strength and anti-wear additives reduce wear and support long transmission life. Mobil One holds actual OEM approvals, including General Motors licenses for Dexron HP and Dexron VI, and meets or exceeds JASO 1A standards. It does not merely claim to meet specs, it carries the licenses. Price is reasonable, availability is excellent, and the track record is solid. For most drivers, this is the safest, most practical choice on the market. Bonus tip: the one situation where changing your fluid destroys your transmission. If your transmission has more than 100,000 miles and has never had a fluid change, you are in the danger zone. The old fluid is thick with microscopic clutch material and varnish. That contamination is actually helping worn clutch packs still grip. Fresh fluid contains detergents that strip away the built-up deposits. The new fluid also has the correct friction characteristics. Suddenly the worn clutches can no longer hold. Slip begins, heat rises, and failure follows quickly. Here is the simple test that tells you whether you're already past the point of no return. Pull the transmission dipstick. Look at the fluid. If it is still red and translucent, you're safe. Change it now, preferably with a drain-in fill rather than a full flush. If the fluid is dark brown or black, smells burnt, or shows visible metal particles, stop. Do not change it. The transmission is already damaged. Fresh fluid will only expose that damage and accelerate the end. The golden rule is simple. Change the fluid early and change it often. Choosing the wrong fluid is only half the battle. The other half is recognizing when the transmission is already failing. Watch the next video for the 5 warning signs that your shift solenoids are about to leave you stranded.